Rode from behind, bro.
Yo, don't stop, bro.
Keep going.
Keep going.
This poor guy. Why is he doing this to himself? What is he even singing?
This is music to my
Random songs
ears.
that he made?
Nah,
He's not rapping, bro. How do you not know the notes?
You know, it's starting to sound like a feral, like, dog coming at me now. Just trying to get out of the cage and trying to get me.
I hear that. Alright, I'm gonna go.
Okay, bro. See ya, bro.
Alright, see ya.
Can you sing King Von?
Bro, I think he has everyone muted, bro.
Yeah, I know he does. It says on his booth.
Yeah, he does. Oh my goodness. I wish.
Jesus.
Yo, I think it's a bathroom, bro. It sounds like a recording.
Ugh. What is he even singing?
He's not saying anything. I think he's just moaning.
Nah, I understand him.
I think he's getting backshotted right now. I'm not
Dude,
gonna lie.
he's like speaking in hieroglyphics.
Like, it doesn't even make any sense. This is not a kawaii anime girl. No kawaii anime girl would sound like this.
He's out of breath.
Yeah, he
I
does.
understand him.
He's
I
dying.
understand him. You just gotta.
His voice was not meant for this, bro. His voice was not meant for this.
His voice was definitely meant for this. His voice was definitely. I think he's getting like straight teeth from like an ostrich.
He needs to drink some water, bro.
Take
he's
a
probably
drink
doing
of
some
water.
right now. Bro, like, you're gonna kill your.
I don't even do.
Okay, now he's just he's not even singing anymore. He's just busting. He's just busting.
That was his climax, bro. What is going on?
That was his climax.
You're doing this.
He's at least busted like 15 times. I can't believe it.